Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by opening the drawing that shows the Viewcube. Do this now. Once the file is open, switch to a 3D visual style so the cube is active and selectable. Make sure the command line and workspace are set to 3D modeling. This exposes the settings we need. You're not configuring everything yet. You're preparing the environment so the commands and options we use next will be available and behave predictably during removal. Now take action. Type Viewcube into the command line and press Enter to open the setting. Change Display Viewcube to 0 to turn the cube off. Alternatively, open Options, go to the 3D Navigation tab and uncheck Show Viewcube. If the cube still reacts, run navcubic to clear navigation shortcuts and hotkeys tied to it. Once done, make sure you save the drawing or export a workspace to keep the new behavior across sessions. Finish by saving the drawing and then saving or updating your workspace so the change persists. If the Viewcube reappears after restart, check for custom CUI overrides. Remove any Viewcube entries or reset your user profile to default and reapply the Display Viewcube setting. Restart Autocad after adjustments and open a new template drawing to confirm it's gone. Troubleshooting tip: if removal still fails, export your CUI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.